I'm good. Right. Ow. Ow, my finger. Ow. What are they doing? Are they trying to hurt children? Blazers. Today we're going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a while now, and that is a mini brands unboxing. So I got 3 different kinds, and here is me going into Walmart and picking them out. I'm about to venture out to go get some mini brands at Walmart. All right, we're at Walmart. Let's go. Let's see if we can find some. Okay, we have found them. Now we have to pick out which ones we want to get. They have so many different kinds. One of the many toy brands. Okay, we got all the ones, and now back to the video. Yeah, I really wanted to get at least one of the food ones, but they were all sold out of the food ones. So I got one of the Disney Store edition. So they have Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars. I'm really hoping we don't get any Marvel or Star Wars ones. If you guys know me, you know I don't fucks with that. We got a toy mini brands, which I'm really excited for. It comes with 5 in each of those, and I think 5 of the unicorn squad. It says magic color changing on that, so look at how pretty. So cute. I love mini me. I love Peter Dinklage. Anyway, let's unbox these. I hope we get some good things. These were like $5.99 each, so we better get some good ones. Start off with the Disney Store edition ones, and it's got a perforated thing here, so we should just be able to, oh, there we go. That seemed easy enough, but it's also, it seems like it's taped underneath as well, and I just polished my nails last night, and it's lifting the nail polish off my nails. That's wonderful for me. Love that for me. Okay, I use scissors to take this. Oh, this reminds me of, I forget the name, the brand, but those chocolate oranges that you smack against the wall, and it opens up like an orange, but it's chocolate. So let's see how you open this. I don't know how. Is this, oh my God, is this like Hellraiser with the configuration? Oh, okay. Here we go. We got our first orange slice. So here we go. What do we get? We got a piece of paper. Literally, there's nothing in here except a piece of paper. Oh, it's a shopping bag. It's a paper shopping bag. That's got all different movies on it. Oh, is it Toy Story? It's Toy Story. It's a Toy Story shopping bag. I mean, at least it's not Marvel or Star Wars. But literally, it's a paper shopping bag of Toy Story. All right, let's pick our next orange slice. What's it gonna be? Okay, this does not sound like it's gonna be another paper bag. Let's open it up, see what we got. That did not open nicely. Of course it didn't. Why would it? Because this is my life. Ooh. It's cardboard again. Why is this cardboard? Oh, but it's got from Cars, Lightning McQueen. It's got like him inside a little toy box. That's cute, and it's got like a little remote control. I guess this is like a mini like toy, like what you would pick up for your kids or an adult. Who cares? Age is just a number when it comes to like toys and stuff. Don't get me wrong. Age is not just a number when it comes to like that kind of thing. All right, at next orange slice we got right here, or apple slice. Oranges and apples, who cares? Let's see. All right, we got another Toy Story thing, and I guess a guide of things you can check off your list. This is, oh, it's that horse thing. I don't remember the horse's name. Maybe I'll look up the horse's name and put it here. I honestly, Toy Story 1 is the only one I really like. But that's cute. We're getting a lot of Toy Story here, but no Marvel or Star Wars yet, which makes me happy. Next orange slice we got here. I don't know if this sounds promising, but how do you, geez. Okay. Oh my God, we got Beauty and the Beast. Oh my goodness. My husband Beast. Oh, okay. Best Beast. Best Beast. Oh my goodness. We got a Beast action figure, a mini Beast action figure. Love, 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 love. Love this. How do they make this for children and not expect them to put this in their mouths? I don't get how they do that, but oh my goodness. I love Beast. Husband, daddy. Mwah. And last orange slice from this mini brands is, what is this? It's a drink? Oh, it's Baby Yoda, but it's cute because it's like a little Slurpee type drink or tumbler, but it is Baby Yoda. It says attack, snack, protect on it. I'm not mad. It's cute colors and it's a cute little item. So we got one Star Wars item out of all of them, which is fine. And this was okay. My favorite thing obviously was Beast, and my least favorite thing honestly wasn't even the Star Wars thing. It was this, because it's literally just, you can rip this. It's a paper bag, y'all. $5.99. Let's do the toy mini brands, because look, it's got like Hello Kitty in a car. Move over, Barbie. Come on, kitty, let's go city. In my bed, yeah, because I'm lazy. Yes, I'm lazy. And I'm in a lot of pain. Chronic illnesses, y'all. It'll get you. This is fun. And I'm glad we didn't get any repeats. So let's hope we don't get any repeats with this one. We got a yellow orange this time, or apple, but I like to think that it's an orange. So last time we got a white orange. Okay, first orange slice. Let's see what we get. Oh, I see money. Oh, and there's another toy in here. So we got 2 for 1. This is a Play-Doh animal, and it's like a chicken with a long neck. That's cute, I guess. And money. It's actually like, you can actually like flip it. And they're 5s. Are all of them 5s? Yeah. Bitch, you got a lot of money here. Can you grow, please? Can you grow to actual size? I'd love that. I love this. I actually do love this. Like, I'm gonna put this, I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I love it. Next slice. I'm good. No, not. All right, we got a LOL surprise doll. Oh, she's in there. She's trapped in there. But look, she's got wings on the back. That's cute. And she's in there. She's got pink hair and a little blue dress. She's cute. It's one of those little LOL surprise dolls. I always thought they were really cute. It's Angel High color. Maybe it's not a LOL surprise. It looks exactly like them. Angel High. Okay, I'm wrong. It's Angel High. Maybe you should read first, Blaze, before you go and just blurt out things. Color changing makeup and wings. Ooh, cute. This is cute. This is cute. Honestly, like, 5-year-old me would be going bananas over this shit. And almost in a week, 35-year-old me is going bananas over that shit. Let's see what we got. We got Piggy. This is a terrifying pig. What is this? Is this from a horror movie? Because I hope so, because this is terrifying. Look at this pig. It's got one red eye and one black eye. It just says Piggy on it. And those are the other ones you can get. One's like a clown. This is horrifying. I love it. This is like my favorite thing. What? I love this. Let's see, what do we got next? We got Battleship. I hated this game, But we played it a lot when I was a kid, especially me and my cousins, and I kicked their asses because I was the oldest cousin, and booyah. But we got a little game of Battleship right here, and it's even got the game looking on the back too. It's very realistic looking. It's cute. Hello Kitties, but you know, whatever. And lastly, we got the game of life. Played this a lot as a kid too, because my nanny, my softa, my grandmother, she was a teacher, and she also taught in latchkey. So she brought home a lot of board games and like coloring books and a whole bunch of stuff. So she always had board games at her house, and like for like Christmas and Hanukkah and birthdays, she always gave us board games and coloring books and crayons and markers and stuff like that. So we all always had different board games and stuff like this. So we always played board games and cards and shit like that when we were kids. So we got the game of life here, and man, did this not turn out the way life really is. And except like bankruptcy and stuff like that. That was the toy one. My favorite thing was the horrifying horror movie Piggy and the money. That was my favorite. Lastly, we are doing the unicorn one. Why is this 13 new unicorns to collect? 5 surprises, but I'm unbox wings, accessories, and more. Slime. There's slime in here? Oh no. I don't want to have to clean up my... So you don't get 5 unicorns, you get wings, accessories, and more. I hope there's a unicorn at least in here. Right, let's try to open up this orange right here. This one is heavier, and I'm really hoping that there isn't any slime in here, because it says that there is. What's coming out already? This little booklet. So I don't want to peek. I don't want to get spoiled. So our first orange slice has slime in it, I think. Yeah, this is slime. It's pink slime. I'm not going to open this slime, but it's cute. I'll open it maybe in a vlog, but so stay tuned for that. I'm not opening it right now, but we got pink slime. I thought this was going to be like 5 different unicorns, but apparently not. I don't read things. But there wasn't much choices at Walmart. If you guys want me to do this again, let me know. I really want to do the mini food ones because that looks so fun. So we got a whole bunch of, holy crap. We got like a whole bunch of accessories. This looks like wings, like orange wings, or maybe a headband, and cuffs, like pink to purple ombre cuffs. So I guess we're building our own unicorn. I guess that's what we're gonna do. Put that to the side. I don't know what slime would have to do with building your own unicorn, but next, apple slice. Open. Okay, we got a comb and some stickers. I love stickers. So we got this sticker right here, and it's glittery. I don't know if you can see the glitter on it. It's like floral. It's got some flowers on it. And this one, that's a little jar that has a butterfly in it. And we got this comb right here. It's like a yellowish champagne color that's got some roses on it. Cute. And the last one, I guess, is going to be the unicorn because it's one whole slice. It's not, we didn't get 5 surprises. We got, I don't know how many we've opened, but here we go. She's purple. She is a queen, and she's got orange hair. Oh, she's cute. Oh, we got to think of a name for her. We really put your names down in the comments, and I'll pick the best one for her. She's cute, so let's put her together.
One eternity later.
Okay, well that turned out to be way harder than it seems, but this is our cute little unicorn. Her wings don't even fit on her. You have to kind of just place them on her. But look at how cute she is. I love her headdress. Super cute. Very cute. And I don't know why they give you slime. I guess because slime is like interesting to kids. I don't know. But very cute. Like we brush your little tail. I think I'm gonna give her to my sister because she's like obsessed with My Little Pony and shit, and she loves this kind of thing. I think she'll enjoy this. So, but we still gotta name her. We'll name her and give her to Sister Blaze. So she's cute. That is all for this video. What was your favorite thing that I unboxed? What was your favorite mini brand thing that I unboxed? And if you guys want me to do this again, like I said, leave a comment down below and give this video a like to let me know that you guys want more mini brand unboxings. And like I said, once they stock up on the food minis, I want to do that so bad. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to stay healthy and happy, or at least as happy as you can be. And until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.